press conference. Congratulations to the Adamson Soaring Falcons for winning over the NU Bulldogs 60-58. The Soaring Falcons are now at 3-2. We have Coach Nash Rosella, Joshua Hierro, and Matt Montemon. Coach Nash, congratulations for this victory. This is going to be definitely one of the best plays this season. Can you tell us about that game-winning tip by Joshua Hierro? What can you say?
It was Coach Gilbert that drew that play. So that's the dynamics of our coaching staff. So that's the responsibility of Coach Gilbert. So when we were actually playing defense, we were hoping that if ever they make a basket, we should have money. So he was already preparing himself for that. So other teams, if you need a playmaker, or Coach Gilbert is available. Nakakailala siya
Thank you, Coach Nash. To Matt, you have 15 points tonight and plus 8. So, what can you say about that last play? What can you say?
After NU scored the ball, I was pretty tired, so I was hoping didn't have to go to overtime. So when the refs were checking after he made how much time we had left, I was just hoping we had a little bit of time to get a shot off. And then I knew our coach was going to draw up something good to get us a good shot, and then we got a good shot, and then Wallow made it. So I was pretty happy.
Thank you, Matt. And to Joshua, you had 11 points, 5 rebounds, 3 steals. So, yung game-winning tip mo, definitely, it's the play of the season so far. So, ano yung masasabi mo na yun na ipanalo mo yung game with less 0.3 seconds ng game? Ano masasabi mo?
Of course, masaya kasi pumasok. Thanks ka din dahil sa kanya dahil pumasok. And before pa lang, nag-time out, sabi ni Coach Gilbert na focus, stay lang kami kasi baka extra 5 minutes. But sabi ko yung Alisay, wala nang 5 minutes to, tiwala ka lang papasok ko.
Okay,
jump to, sabi nyo.
Okay, the floor is open for questions. Anyone?
Thank you.
Hey guys, congratulations on the win. I guess questions for Joshua. So I mean, as Coach Nash mentioned, this play was drawn up for you to make that basket. So, what went through your head when you realized, oh, I have to be the one to take this shot?
Nagtiwala lang ako sa sarili ko kasi yung binigay ni Coach Gilbert na play. So, nagampanan ko yung akin talaga.
Thank you.
And siguro to add up that, I think it was very clear na instruction ni Coach Gilbert, even to Kelly Sykes. Even if you don't see him there, just throw the ball. Take your chances. And he did. So, buti na lang bilang sumulpot ito si Pawa.
For coaching ang syempre before yung game winner ni grabe rin yung inilaban ng team na from a deficit na medyo malaki. Yung talk about yung character na pinakita ng team na patuloy lang na paglaban despite facing adversities.
Well, it definitely helps us. This game really helps us. Actually, even before the game, I told the players that NU is one of those teams that just play hard regardless, and that's something that we could emulate. Sabi nga namin, NU and Ateneo, those two teams are ideal teams that we should always watch, kasi they play consistently regardless if they're down, if they're up, pareho na laro. Something that we are trying to learn. It's good that even when we were down in the first half, actually the referees got to me in the first half. Buti na lang yung second half medyo naka-recover kami. So slowly, grind out game. Not just us, actually NU rin, we expected close game against MU.
Coach, napag-usapan natin kanina yung naging turnout ng shooting the last game. Ngayon, first quarter pa lang, parang nakakagat na desperate. Parang gano'n yung kaganda na coach, na parang at least may mga games kayong ganito na talagang masisimulan nyo ng maganda tayo. Makakabitaw kayo ulit ng 43 points kasi in the first quarter.
7 out of 21, so 33. Probably the highest shooting percentage in the last 5 years. Yeah, siguro dahil a lot of those were good shots, I guess. No? Kay Kalisay na isang na-shoot. I think si Monty, top of the key. We appreciated the players, especially in that first 5 minutes of the game. They were sharing the ball. I remember Monty, during one of those timeouts, I told you, if we share the ball, good things will happen. And yeah, I think as a result, medyo pumanek sa
Coach, bago mag-start yung season, parang sinasabi niya sa mga reporters na parang hindi dapat i-count out ang Adams sa ngayong season. And ngayon na 3-1 na kayo so far through 4 games. So ano na siguro sinasabi niyo sa tiwala not only ng players sa'yo, but sa yung tiwala mo din sa kanila sa buong team wise coaches lang?
I think in belief of other people in us should not really matter sa amin. Importante, my question to them always is, naniniwala ba kayo? Kasi yun ang pinaka-importante, di ba? So whatever other people might think, importante is us within our circle really believing that it's doable. Sana nga, slowly we as a group, sana we are starting to believe that we could achieve good things, nice things this season. But too early, I guess, we want.
Joshua, maraming umalis na veterans from the last season. Tapos ngayon season pa, ikaw na yung isa sa leaders ng Adamson. So siguro ano na lang yung mindset mo heading to the next games pa, mas i-lead pa yung Adamson to more wins and more success?
As a senior sa team, ayun nga, isa din ako sa mga, ako ng mga tera. So, ginaguide ko na rin yung mga magawan. Nakikinig din sila sa akin. Hindi naman ako may karapatan magsabi, sila din. Kasi pantay-pantay naman.
Tumoti, you scored well in today's game ahead of win. Was there any extra motivation for you to perform well, especially looking forward to Olympics?
Yeah, for sure. After the Ateneo game, I was pretty disappointed in my performance, so I just wanted to come out this game and then kind of just have a better game, not just for myself but for the team, because I felt like I let them down that game.
Coach Nash, your team facing UP next. UP the lone undefeated team of the season. So, what are your thoughts? They're winning all 4 games by double digits.
Win. Hopefully we break that against UP. Let's try our best.
And to the players. Siyempre, I'm sure naniniwala kayo sa sarili mo. What can you say? You're not going to.
Yun, naniwala pa rin kami. Basta gawin lang namin ng tama.
Same question.
I don't understand what you said earlier.
About UP, basically, what can you say?
I'm excited for the challenge. We know they're a good team and they're undefeated. But you see the UE LaSalle game and anything can happen. So we're just hoping we can come out, play our best, and hopefully come out.
Congratulations, Coach Nash,